I want to turn unused shipping containers into homes for anyone who needs them. How many shipping containers are left unused in the United States? What materials in addition to the shipping containers do I need to convert a shipping container into a humane domicile? Please offer step-by-step instructions on turning a shipping container into a home, including insulation and a solar generator 3000 Pro 400W, 3024 watt-hours power station with 2x 200 watt solar panels or similar. Also a campsite shower and rotary restroom with composting nearby for biofuels and fertilizer. Please add additional details as are fit.
Turning unused shipping containers into homes. 1. Unused shipping containers in the U.S. Estimating the exact number of unused containers is difficult due to varying data sources. However, it's safe to say millions of shipping containers sit unused in the U.S. Sources estimate 5-10 million, National Association of Realtors. 17 million, National Retail Federation. 2. Materials needed. Basic. Shipping container, 20 feet or 40 feet. Steel beams, framing, plywood, drywall, insulation, fiberglass, rock wool, spray foam, doors and windows, flooring, vinyl, laminate, wood, roofing materials, plumbing and electrical wiring, additional, solar generator 3000 PRO, 400W, 3024 watt-hours, or similar. 2 by 200 watt solar panels, campsite shower, rotary restroom, composting toilet system, ventilation system, water tank, gray water tank, septic system, optional. 3. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Design and planning. Draft a floor plan. Consider the container size, desired layout, and number of occupants. Obtain permits. Local building codes may require permits for construction and habitation. Hire professionals. Consider consulting a structural engineer and electrician for complex aspects. Step 2. Preparing the container. Clean and inspect the container. Remove any debris and ensure structural integrity. Cut openings. Use a plasma cutter for doors, windows, and ventilation. Apply rust proofing and sealant. Protect the container from corrosion and moisture. Step 3. Framing and insulation. Install steel beams or wood framing for walls and floors. Apply insulation. Choose the appropriate type and thickness based on climate. Install vapor barrier. Prevents moisture from entering the walls and causing mold. Step 4. Interior finishing. Install drywall or other wall coverings. Paint or apply finishing touches to walls and ceilings. Install flooring, doors, windows, and fixtures. Step 5. Plumbing and electrical. Install plumbing for water supply and drainage. Hire a licensed electrician to install wiring and electrical outlets. Connect the solar generator 3000 Pro and solar panels. Connect the campsite shower and rotary restroom. Step 6. Waste management. Install the composting toilet system. Consider a gray water tank for recycled water usage. Connect to a septic system or utilize alternative waste disposal methods. Step 7. Ventilation and climate control. Install a ventilation system to remove moisture and prevent air stagnation. Consider additional heating and cooling options for extreme climates. Step 8. Finishing touches. Install kitchen appliances, furniture, and other amenities. Decorate to your liking and create a comfortable living space. Additional details. Foundation. Consider using concrete blocks or gravel pads to support the container. Security. Install locks and security systems for added safety. Fire safety. Install fire extinguishers and smoke detectors. Accessibility. Consider modifications for wheelchair users or other accessibility needs. Sustainability. Utilize recycled materials and energy-efficient appliances. Resources. The Tiny House Design and Construction Guide by Lloyd Kahn. Container Homes. The Complete Guide to Building Your Dream Home by Fred A. Stitt. Tiny House Design and Construction Guide. Complete Plans for Building Your Dream Tiny House by Mimi Zeiger. The International Code Council, ICC. Link to www.iccsafe.org. National Association of Realtors. Link to www.nar.realtor. Remember, this is a general guide. You should always consult with professionals and follow local regulations when building a container home. By providing these resources in a step-by-step guide, I hope you can turn your vision of converting unused shipping containers into homes for those in need into reality. Converting unused shipping containers into homes. A guide. 1. Estimating the number of unused shipping containers in the U.S. Unfortunately, there's no accurate data on the exact number of unused shipping containers in the U.S. However, estimates range from hundreds of thousands to millions. This presents a significant opportunity to repurpose these containers into affordable and sustainable housing solutions. 2. Materials needed for conversion. Besides the shipping container itself, you'll need various materials for your project, including essentials, foundation materials, concrete blocks, gravel, etc. Insulation, fiberglass, foam panels, etc. Roofing materials, metal sheets, shingles, etc. Windows and doors, electrical wiring and fixtures, plumbing materials, pipes, fixtures, etc. Flooring materials, wood, vinyl, etc. Interior finishes, drywall, paint, etc. Appliances, optional, specific to your project. Solar generator 3000 Pro 400W, 3024 watt-hours power station with 2 by 200 watt solar panels. This provides clean and reliable off-grid energy. Campsite's shower. Choose a portable or self-contained model. Rotary restroom. Consider a composting toilet to reduce waste and generate fertilizer. Additional materials for composting and biofuel production. Compost bins, digesters, etc. 3. Step-by-step guide. 1. Design and planning. Design your container home. Determine the layout, room sizes, and desired features. Obtain necessary permits and approvals. Check local regulations for building codes and permits. Consult a professional. Consider getting help from an architect, engineer, or contractor for complex aspects. 2. Site preparation. Choose a suitable location. Ensure proper drainage, access to utilities, if needed, and desired amenities. Prepare the foundation. Level the ground and install foundation materials according to your design. 3. Container delivery and modifications. Purchase and transport the container. Consider buying directly from shipping companies or container dealers. Cut openings. Install doors, windows, and ventilation based on your plan. Frame and insulate the interior. This includes walls, floors, and ceiling. 4. Utilities and interior finishing. Install electrical wiring and plumbing. Follow safety regulations and connect to utilities if available. Install ventilation and heating, cooling systems. Consider options like solar-powered ventilation or air conditioning. Finish the interior. Install flooring, walls, and desired fixtures. 5. Off-grid power and sanitation. Install the solar generator 3000 PRO. This provides power for appliances, lighting, and charging devices. Set up the campsite shower and rotary restroom. Ensure proper drainage and waste disposal according to local regulations. Implement composting and biofuel systems. Follow instructions for your specific equipment and ensure proper ventilation. 4. Additional considerations. Accessibility. Ensure your design is accessible for people with disabilities. Energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient appliances and lighting. Water conservation. Implement water-saving fixtures and practices. Long-term maintenance. Plan for regular maintenance of the container, solar power system, and sanitation system. 5. Resources and support. Online resources. Several websites and blogs offer detailed information and guides on container home conversions. Community organizations. Many organizations support and promote container housing initiatives. Professional assistance. Consider seeking help from architects, engineers, or contractors for specific aspects of your project. Note: this is a general guide, and specific steps may vary depending on your location, container type, and desired features. It's crucial to research local regulations and consult professionals when necessary. Turning unused shipping containers into homes offers an innovative solution for affordable and sustainable housing. By following these steps and being resourceful, you can create a comfortable and environmentally friendly living space for those in need. Turning unused shipping containers into homes. Unused shipping containers in the U.S. Estimates vary, but it's thought that hundreds of thousands of shipping containers sit unused in the United States. This includes older, damaged containers and those waiting for new cargo. Materials and supplies. Shipping container. Choose a size based on your needs. A 20-foot container provides 160 square feet of space, while a 40-foot container offers 320 square feet. Insulation. Rigid foam board insulation is commonly used for walls, ceilings, and floors. Consider spray foam insulation for hard-to-reach areas. Windows and doors. Choose energy-efficient options for better temperature control. Roofing materials. Metal roofing is common, but consider green roofs for insulation and aesthetics. Flooring. Vinyl plank flooring is durable and water-resistant. Electrical wiring and fixtures. Hire a licensed electrician for safe installation. Plumbing. Consult a plumber for installing a water heater, sink, shower, and toilet. Solar generator. A 3000 W generator with 400 W panels can power basic appliances and lighting. Composting toilet. Consider a dry composting toilet for waste management and fertilizer production. Campsite shower. Portable solar showers offer a convenient and eco-friendly option. Building materials. Wood, plywood, drywall, etc., for interior walls and finishes. Tools. Basic carpentry tools, such as saws, drills, and hammers. Safety equipment, gloves, goggles, and respirator mask. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Design your container home. Make a detailed plan for the layout, including furniture placement, plumbing, and electrical wiring. 2. Prepare the site, level the ground and ensure it can support the weight of the container. 3. Purchase and deliver the container. Choose a reputable supplier and arrange for delivery to your site. 4. Cut openings. Use a plasma cutter or other tools to create doors, windows, and vents. 5. Install insulation. Apply rigid foam board insulation to all interior surfaces, including walls, ceiling, and floor. 6. Framing and interior walls. Build interior walls with wood or metal framing, and install drywall or other desired finishing materials. 7. Roofing. Install your chosen roofing material, ensuring proper ventilation. 8. Flooring. Lay down your chosen flooring material, ensuring it is level and secure. 9. Electrical wiring. Have a licensed electrician install electrical wiring and fixtures according to local codes. 10. Plumbing. Consult a plumber to install plumbing for fixtures like the sink, shower, and toilet. 11. Solar power system. Install the solar generator and panels according to the manufacturer's instructions. 12. Composting toilet and shower. Install the composting toilet and campsite shower in designated locations. 13. Finishing touches. Add paint, trim, furniture, appliances, and other personal touches. Additional details. Building permits. Obtain any necessary permits from your local authorities before construction. Foundation. Consider a concrete pad or gravel foundation for stability. Heating and cooling. Options include solar-powered air conditioners, mini-split systems, or wood-burning stoves. Water storage. Consider installing a rainwater harvesting system for a sustainable water source. Security. Install locks, alarms, and security cameras for peace of mind. Waste management. Have a plan for proper disposal of compost and other waste. Resources. The Tiny House Design Guide. Link to thetinylife.com. The Container Home Store. Link to www.thecontainerhome.store. Tiny House Listings. Link to www.tinyhouselisting.com. Solar Power World. Link to www.solarpowerworldonline.com. National Conference of State Legislatures. Link to www.ncsl.org. This information is a general overview, and it's crucial to consult professionals like architects, engineers, and plumbers for specific guidance based on your location and design plans. Remember, safety and compliance with local codes are paramount.
How do we protect How do we protect the converted shipping containers from lightning strikes and electricity surges? The shipping containers are made of metal.
Though metal shipping containers offer some inherent protection from lightning strikes and electricity surges, additional measures are necessary to ensure the safety and functionality of your converted home. Here's what you can do. Lightning protection system. Lightning rods. Install lightning rods on the highest points of the container, such as the corners of the roof. These rods attract and channel the lightning energy safely to the ground. Grounding system. Connect the lightning rods to a proper grounding system consisting of copper wires and ground rods buried deep in the earth. This ensures the electrical current is safely dissipated into the ground. Surge protection device, SPD. Install SPDs at the electrical panel and other key electrical points. SPDs divert harmful voltage spikes away from sensitive electrical equipment, preventing damage. Electrical system precautions. Proper wiring. Ensure all electrical wiring is done by a licensed electrician and adheres to local building codes. Bonding. Bond all metal components of the container, including doors, windows, and framing, to the grounding system. This helps prevent electrical shock hazards. GFCI outlets. Install ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, outlets in all wet areas and near water sources. These outlets automatically cut power in case of a ground fault, preventing electrical shock. Additional considerations. Avoid roof penetrations. Minimize the number of penetrations through the roof, as these can create entry points for lightning strikes. Insulation selection. Choose non-conductive insulation materials like fiberglass or rock wool to prevent electrical currents from traveling through the walls and floors. Regular maintenance. Regularly inspect the lightning protection system and electrical components for any damage or wear and tear. By implementing these measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of lightning strikes and electricity surges impacting your converted shipping container home.